Me again. We have this glass table here. It's a patio table, and there's the top of it there. And here's the legs of it, if you look. There's the legs of it, kind of. Anyway, what happens is these plastic ends on them here just crack, and they're just... And the other thing is they're specifically sized to these tables. Different manufacturers make different ones, so there's no standard whatsoever. Anyway, I was trying to figure out how to do the ends here. And here's an idea that I came up with. It seems to be working so far. It's a QWORK 10 pieces, 1 by 2 inch square tubing chair leg. So these things are actually meant to go inside of a piece of rectangular tubing inside the chair leg, but here I'm actually putting them over the outside of them. So anyway, I'll let you know how they work. I'll pop 4 of them on, put the tabletop on, and we'll see how they go. So obviously they're not a tight, snug fit. They just kind of slip on there. But you know what? It's better than this thing all crumbling and falling apart. So I'll let you know how it goes. So I'm back. I wish I had recorded me and my wife actually putting the tabletop on, because it went on super smooth. So if you look there, there's the connector there, the new connector here. Here's all the old ones, and you can see they're all crumbling and cracking and everything else. So here's what we actually use, and they're not meant for this purpose, but they work just well. And then here's the label plate for it. A QWORK 10 pieces, 1 inch by 2 inch. These are 1 3/4, but they work just fine. And tubing chair leg. So hope this helps repair these kind of things, because good luck trying to find original ones of these. Take care. I always forget something. So while we replace the table, we also replace these bumpers here. So this is what they look like before. So yeah, pretty nasty. So we replace them with these, and they work okay. These are, there's the nameplate data. 1/4 inch hole, 15 count, US, made in China, blah, blah, blah. So the only thing that we really had to do was chase the holes a little bit. Maybe they were slightly less than 1/4, so I used a 1/4 inch bit and chased the holes a little bit, and then they fit fine. So anyway, while you're at it, might as well just go ahead and replace those too, because especially if they look like that. All right, take care.